Hello lovelies, it's Nick here, plant-based dietitian, and this week I wrote a blog about diets and the compounding confusion that they cause us. So each diet that we go on can bring positive and negative actions. So it can be positive in that you might have learned a few recipes that you've now integrated into the family's menu plan. You might have picked up some positive health habits that you're now doing. But it can also cause some confusion because diets can be very, very different in the way that they go about helping you lose weight. And some of the diets that are out there at the moment are diametrically opposed to each other. So, for example, the diet, sort of lifestyle that I encourage people to go on is eating more plants, and it's a low-fat plant-based lifestyle, and that is in stark contrast to some of the other dieting philosophies that are out there at the moment, like keto or high-fat, low-carb. Now, what this can mean is that when clients come to me, they have certain beliefs about what's healthy and what's not. And some of these beliefs are helpful and others aren't. So let's take something like olive oil. Yes, olive oil is a healthy oil and has many, health promoting properties. But if you're on a weight loss journey, then having lots of olive oil in your diet isn't helpful for weight loss. So you might have heard me say before, instead of, splushing olive oil all over your salad, I would much rather that you have a couple of whole olives, and that way you're getting the benefits of the olive oil, but you're also getting the benefits of the fiber as well. Because the fiber is is what feeds our good gut bacteria and promotes optimal health. So there might be a whole heap of these little beliefs that you've got about what is healthy and what's not, and some of them may not be helping you in your weight loss journey. But how are you to know? And this is where getting some expert advice or getting someone to take a peep into your what you're eating every day can be really helpful. So someone like myself can take a look at what you're eating every day and just straight away see what's holding up, your weight loss efforts. So I just put that out there that, it's not your fault that you don't, that you might be struggling to lose weight. You can't understand why you're doing all the things. You feel like your diet is really healthy, but you're not getting those, not getting the results that you want. So if you want some help, please comment below. I have a complimentary chat where I'm happy to talk to you and just see if we can identify some of those beliefs that are hindering your weight loss efforts. Have a great day.